remove the front part of the cover with 2 wrenches 9/16 inch. Remove the black part of the front and unscrew the bolt with a 1/2 inch wrench. Remove the 2 impellers and the stator. Remove the key and the mechanical seal. You can use a slotted screwdriver. Be careful not to damage the shoulder of the casing. Clean the casing and the bushing with a clean cloth and WD-40. Rub both edges of the bushing gently with 240 grit sandpaper. Be sure to do this on both sides of the bushing. Installing the new seal. Put grease on the outside of the seat part of the seal and push it on the shaft. Be sure the seat is well supported and flat in the casing. The ceramic or stainless steel part of the seal should be visible. Grease the head of the mechanical seal and install it on the bushing. Be sure to put the black side of the seal on the tapered side of the bushing. Push the bushing onto the shaft with the taper side of the bushing facing the engine. Reinstall the key, the impellers, and the stator. You must align the groove on the stator with the red pin on the rear casing. Put silicone on the bolt and screw it on the shaft at up to 30 foot-pounds of torque. Put the black cover back on. Reinstall the front cover and bolt it at up to 30 foot-pounds of torque.